Now we are going to solve the 10th problem in the 10th chapter. Here one diagram is given. Okay, so here one circuit is given. That circuit, for that we have to find out the output. I will read out the problem. Write down the Boolean equation for the output y of the given circuit and give its truth table. So first we have to find out the expression, Boolean expression output. After that we have to write the truth table. Look at the diagram circuit. Here 3 gates are given, AND gate, NOR gate and OR gate. Here A and B both are the inputs. Here also A and B both are the inputs. First we have to find out what is the output of the AND gate. Very easy one. So if the two are given as input, you will be getting the output as A dot B, that is A and B. That A and B can be written as AB. So that is the first output we have got it from the AND gate part. This is NOR gate. If A and B if both are given as inputs, there you will be getting the output as ARB whole bar, that is the output of the NOR gate part. This AB and A plus B whole bar, both of them will act as the input here. So we can write it here AB, that is one of the inputs, AB whole bar, that is the another input. If both are ORed, if both are given as input to the OR gate, what would be the output? The final expression you will get, that is nothing but both of them to be ORed. Therefore AB, that is one of the input, that is to be ORed with which one? This part, A plus B, that is ARB whole bar can be written. So this is the final output, we have got it. So like that in the examination we have to write. Are you clear? So here we can write it in the form of sentence also. In AND gate we can write the output will be ARB. In NOR gate the output will be A plus B whole bar. In the final output that can be obtained from OR gate now, there the output will be these two to be ORed. Therefore finally you will be getting AB plus AB whole bar. So this is the final output, you have got it. For that we have to write the truth table. Are you clear? So here I have given the set of inputs. Finally we have to find out the answer for the final column, that is for this final output. No, for that we have to find out the answer, final output values. AB, that is output of the AND gate. So 0 and 0, that is AB, therefore 0. 0 1, that should be ANDed, you will be getting 0. 1 0, both are ANDed, therefore you are getting 0. 1 and 1, that is equal to 1. So these are all the outputs you will be getting there at the output of AND gate. Come down here in the next one, NOR gate, what are the outputs? Here the set of inputs are given. 0 or 0, you will be getting 0. Later that should be complemented. So what will be getting? 1. 0 1, 1, 1 bar, 0. 1 0, 1, 1 bar, 0. 1 1, you will get 1, 1 bar, 0. So these are all the outputs of the NOR gate. Are you clear? So here what we have to do, these two columns, their output values are already written now. These two, they will act as the input for OR gate. So again both are to be ORed, this value and this value both are to be ORed here. That's why I have written OR gate. Nearby I have mentioned the name of the gates. If when both are ORed, what you will get? 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 1 or 0, 1. So this is the output finally we will obtain for the particular expression y is equal to AB plus A plus B whole bar. So if such inputs are given there in the AND gate as well as in the NOR gate, in the final OR gate, you will be getting this set of outputs. Okay. So like that, the entire answer must be presented. Only then you will get the marks. Okay.